Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I exist now. Um, how cool is that? Yeah, it's very cool. Cool. I'm just hearing my own voice. My own voice. Sorry if I struggle. English, I'm just not that good. Anyways, it's time for developing on shapes.rng because I have no other good thing to do. And well, what else can I do? I, to be honest, do not know. Yeah. I just go back to my Roblox studio. Hey there! Hello, Roblox studio. How are you? So basically, 11.1 is going to be like just fixing bugs and stuff. That's the main purpose for the update. We're currently on 11.0.6.2 this night. I'm gonna try to crush most of the update and try to release 11.1 as fast as possible. It's just fixing bugs in general. That's what I'm hoping it to be. Yeah. So I got a weather recently, which is cool. It's the winter edition. Shape, which you won't get after June 25th. Oh, you guys are there. What are you doing here? You should not be here. Yeah, I need to disable collisions actually, but wait, it's an RGB triangle. Is there even someone in the stream? No, there isn't. I love how I'm talking to myself. Not today. Let's see. So, bugs that I need to fix. So, first off, shapes valued at exactly 1 million. Oh, actually, let me share my entire screen. On. Share. I said share. I'm done. Oh, God. Yeah, so as you can see, it's 2 a.m. for me, which isn't cool, but what can I say? So, shapes valued at exactly 1 million, somehow considered a rare shape. I don't know if that's a bug, honestly. Like I already said, but no, I'm not gonna fix that. It's not even that big of a thing. The 50 times and like 999 times, I forgot the number of spawns are missing. I removed them temporarily for maintenance. Yeah, I'm not gonna add them back. Probably. I won't add them back. Rami considered the Hadrian is a cube? How did that even happen? New radars the bug, but it'll just be funny to put it here. No, he's shape shifting shapes.rng. No freaking way. Yeah, me follow the ones that I need. 128 doesn't get when it's equipped. Yeah, I need to fix that. Why is it not? Wait. No, he's shape shift. Yeah. Let me do something real quick. You're gonna have to wait now. Thank you. Anyways, what? I'm just better in every sense now. Nothing really happened. I just had to do something. Update this game. This is not a joke. First thing from the server for the last like 6 months is this. Wow. Bump. Translated from Danish. Okay. But yeah. I need to update this game. Map doesn't change. I don't have proof when I played it. The timer just sat there at 0. The map has been changing from classic full stop punctuation. What was that? I don't like full stop punctuations. I don't like formality. It's sad. I don't know what it's sad. Also, Wither told me that this is like the lamest creator tag ever, so maybe I upgrade it later. Okay, 48,000 and the only, yeah, it's just unstable. This is like to not name it correctly. He just said unstable. I need to stop. No, you're sure. Extras, next map. No, I'm not winning 267. No, stop it. No, I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it. Let me make the map delay less. No, it is. Wait. Map. No, map. Okay, yeah, 10 until next map. Yeah, how about 10? That should be good. Yeah, it should be. Oh god. So we should change map, or maybe I just missed. Okay, yeah, it's the script. Setting it to 300. Not like that. Yeah, no. But like, it's not really a bug. It's just RNG. Like as you can see here, sometimes it just becomes class again, and it just doesn't change at all. But I cannot tell you if that's intentional or not. It sorta is, but it sorta isn't. Wrong ready. Yeah, I need to fix inventory so freaking badly. I wanna die. Like, seriously, I hate inventory like this. Also, why is it not loaded? No, it doesn't load anymore. Is this on purpose? I'm looking good. Yes, I already read that. Yeah, let me fix this first. Like, why? Why is this like that? So basically, that's because of a mismatch in the names I somehow did not fix for 11 freaking versions. So let me just yeah, script replace place. Okay, find item set. I can set it. No, wait, actually, if no item, also I need to know when like the else happens, just to know that I should stop there. See it? Yeah, it's right here. So at 1949 we stop. So we're gonna replace it by item select. So first match. So I wanna go through the first thing. Okay, so first match. Okay. If item selected it's none, then oh yeah, so like yeah, this is all like fixed. No problem here. So past 1949 we should not have any if no items. We shouldn't. I know there are because I'm dumb and I'm a lazy developer. Wait, what am I? Yeah, see, first one here. You gotta replace that. Replace. Yeah, you replace. Yeah, you just gotta replace a bunch of stuff. Yeah, that's it. That's all the replace stuff I have to do. So maybe, just maybe, I have to. Well, I've fixed that. Also, no one's watching my stream. Oh man, well, that's sad. But yeah. No, we shapeshift. Let me say shapes up. Let me check again. Anything else to fix apart from like the inventory? I have the feeling I should just freaking recode the entire inventory, or at least the way it shows shapes, because it's just freaking awful. Oh yeah, so to fix that, also I need to fix that for the lab products. Have to fix that. The if no item thingy. I gotta replace that by item select. Item select. We just gotta move. Why is there 76 this time? What? So it has to be past the else. Which is around here. Yep. So from here on out, just gotta switch them up. Boom. Yep. That was the last one, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. So now it shouldn't be a mess of wrongly selected shapes and wrongly it just mismatched in general. Like it shouldn't be like that. Let's see. Let's try happy weather. Sword. Still need to add the black hole. Maybe version 12. Actually, yeah, version 12 because that's what's all supposed to be happening. Actually, or actually, let me just do something real quick. Go. Isn't the music so jolly? It's cool. Anyways, let me mute real quick. Oh my god. Real bug is just RNG, like as you can see here. Sometimes it just becomes class again and it just doesn't change at all. But I cannot tell you. Hey there, how are you? Why am I replaying my own stream? But actually I know why. Would I enable desktop audio. Also, I like this running, nothing happened. We need to fix more bugs. We need to get more bugs fixed. Inventory and nothing else really. No, I don't think so. There's definitely more bugs. I just don't know. Yeah, I think I already fixed this. Maybe. I did probably accidentally just actually no accidentally. I need to stop thinking. I need to actually think for saying stuff and not just whipping it out. No, that sounded so fucking bad. No, let me shut up. What happens if you enable like camera shake? It's like that's a thing that was experimental and has been ever since version 1 of this game. Because I haven't changed anything. Jams for when mutation on shapes. Oh yeah, I still have to add mutations to the game. Oh fuck. Yeah, because like mutations don't do anything. Oh, it's not. What? Oh, that's one. Like yeah. Oh wait, I just got the exact same bug he did because 128 is a shape. And well, it's also hits rarity, so that just happens. And now the game thinks it's 128. Yeah, I need to fix that real quickly. Where's the shapes thingy? Group shapes. Yeah, up here. So, first off, I need to get where this is like sending it. So I guess it's like when you press a button, it just does that. So, inventory, where are you? Here. Equip. And that. What? Not that. So here, shape example. There's a script here that is for when when I just like wanna equip a shape. Well, it's literally just this one. No, it isn't. Okay, where is that thingy going on? I need to know. I just need to. Okay, nice. Okay. For example, you. It's a cool shape actually. So, if you go play UI, Android UI, Android frame, scroll frame, yeah, all this stuff. Construct shape. Oh yeah, that's the script of Doom that has like 50,000 bugs on it, and which look kind of fixable. Construct shape. What's that? Here. Server scripts. Why are you there? Yeah, here I gotta add the wither. Okay, I already did. Like wither here too. Yes, he is. Okay, yeah. Let's see. So get rarities and names. Let's see what this is. Attributes on the value. This is just for rarities and names. We can. Actually, we do. No, we actually do. Because 128. Yeah. It thinks that it's 128 when it's really not. So I gotta fix that. I didn't like that. So basically, you can just like, actually, we don't know what to do. Because the way I do it's just stuff fucking ass. Like, it's just bullshit. Oh, God. So maybe we can like, okay, so I'm going to do something which is probably like renaming the shape itself, because I don't think numbers just go well with shapes, especially when you're going with rarities here. So yeah, it's gonna be spaced out now. Let's just replace 128 with 128. Okay, that's it. Cool. Okay, I'm also going to like switch the name of this one. Shapes 128. Yeah, no, it's gonna be spaced out. 128. Okay, so that's it for that. With the products, also need to switch those up. 48 by 1. Oh god. 128. Yeah, there we go. Yes, finally, someone is watching my stream. Cool. He might have just left by now, but you know, one burger. Yeah, I could do that. Anyway, let me get like a chat here. Let me just put that. Cool. Burger shape one in the burger. Where's the chat? No, why am I Google bro? No, stop it. Okay. Here we go. So 128. Yeah, it's fixed there. Okay. Where the freak did I leave construction? I have so many scripts open, I cannot know where any of them are. You. No, stop opening Google Chrome. I mean, if they tell me what the value of burger is, I might. I don't even know who that guy is. Okay. So maybe with the spacing, when I cannot detect any 1 to 8s because, well, they're spaced out. I need a way to like, so split name. Where is split name? Okay, here. So, what if instead I'm making it a space, we make it a plus? Why did we do that? What am I cooking? Am I not? What am I doing? I may have just fixed all the bugs at one single moment. I might have just done that. I might just not. I honestly do not know, but we will see. Here. Okay, yeah, 1 and 1, no freaking stuff. Beat? It's not bad. I remember full. You mean? What the freak? How about you? No, yeah, it still breaks. So I've done something really wrong. Like, I just leave it enough. Let's see. It's time to investigate. So, what is this here? Oh god. It's because I already like took away the spaces. So you just gotta have the plus and that's it. Maybe that's the fix. Maybe? I don't know. Okay, yeah. Cool. Wait, I just gotta fucking... What is going... Huh? What just happened? Why did I get 2 rare shapes in a row? It also appeared in the webhooks. But at least that shows that they're working. No messages for now. Sphere. Okay, so let me try with some shapes here. You. Still broke. It's not a bad member for the replicated storage dot shapes. But like, why? Wait. Let me do some debugging here, and first up, let me like close all these freaking scripts. I'm tired of them. Please just close already. Thank you very much. Close. How many of these do I have? Oh, right. Okay, here. So, print the split name. Supposed to print it. Oh. Okay, so we have this. Colored, inletted, huge, fiery, sparkling, icosahedron, 1 in 48 and 480 million. So that's not good. What if we like don't take out anything? So what if we like take that out and just separate them by plus? Maybe that'll work. I don't think it will, but we always gotta try. Inventory that now owner is not about memorable workspace. Wow. You. Wait. Okay, well, it loaded into 2 mutations and then it just broke. Oh. Yeah, no, that's a problem there. Can I separate by like 2 of them? Can I? I think I can. Maybe. Just like this and that. Work, please. I need you. I know. Maybe it works now. Inventory. Ew. Oh god. Valid argument 2 to split string expected got table. Oh my freaking goodness. How do I take away spaces from a string? It's only G sub. Because that takes away a bunch of stuff that I need. Okay. currently brainstorming so fucking hard. Oh my god. General. Hey, at least inventory saves, so that's one thing that wasn't there for a bunch of time. Value of type now cannot be converted to a number. What? Oh, that's a wither there. And now it's raining. Okay. You. Studded plus color plus huge. That's it. That's gonna be it. So. Yeah, that's a problem there. We need to space these out. So maybe we can like take away the last one and just separate that one. Maybe I can. No, let's see. So local split 3 or 1. And then splitting. String out split. So like first we need local last equals split R1 the length of split R1, which the last one. Yeah. 5 a space. And then that's gonna be it. Oh, wait, I need more than that. Split name. Our original. And then we have split name be table dot table. But I want to add a table to a table. How do I do it? I honestly don't know. So maybe we could like, whoa, what are you doing, AI? I don't want that. So it's gonna be split R1 plus, I don't know if it's gonna work. Split R1 plus split name. That's gonna fail miserably. I know a bunch about Lua. I just do not know that much. Much as I failed. Also, fail to load acid. Weird number. Since not approved for requester. What even is that acid? Work. Okay, yeah, I was expecting that. So like, yeah. Attempt to perform arithmetic on table. Use can't. Is there like a way to join tables? Or am I just okay, so it's table dot remove, and we have like last, basically. Yeah. And we need the like table, which means split R1, in position, that's the length of it, the last one. So this would be that, so can remove that. And after that we have, why am I saying that so many times? Split name equals, no actually, table.insert, and this will become split name. And just like split name and just replace these. Split R1. Split name. Okay. So after that, we gotta insert to that split name, the split name last, basically. Yeah. I don't think that will work, but if it does, that would be cool. And now we print it for debugging. So that's cool. Right. Okay. The moment of truth. So working. Studded. Yeah, that's it. Let's see here. That's not supposed to happen. What? Well, we're going somewhere, we're getting somewhere. You know, we're getting somewhere. Maybe we're going slowly, but it is working also. G sub percentage P. That. So you don't have any like weird symbols on it, which we don't need and we'll never need. Oh god, that's huge. Inventory. You. So we have this. Started with 1, nothing, 0. You know it works. Let's see what 1, 2, 8. You. Started, nice. Fuck. Started, huge, triangle, 1. In 1, 2, 8. Oh, wait. We're getting somewhere. Yeah, cause like this can be like, ooh. So maybe if we like group it into 2 tables, then actually we can make this work, because like this is for like before the last mutation, an attribute, and after that we have the name. The one in. We do not need this. The last one will be the rarity, not the name of the shape. So actually we can keep 1 to 8 with its original name. We're not have changed it, but well, yeah. I'll see if it like any 1 to 8s here. Any 1 to 8s. I would like a 1 to 8 if possible. Ooh, frozen sphere. Oh no shit. Set game block 5. Let's see if we get. Oh no, that's not exactly what I wanted. Well, no, that's way too much. Let me just like change the rarity of 1 to 8 so it's easier to get. Like this grouping method could actually freaking work. Do not ask how. It just does. Okay. It just could work. To 8. Oh, why did I do this to myself? Why did I not place them in order? What? Huh? What even is the chance of that thing? 128 chance. Oh, it's just this. Okay, well, let me just remove 2 of these. And I'll bring it back. And just switch spawns more frequently. Let's see. Spawn, please. Nice! Yes, okay. You gotta spawn. So it's color 1, 2, 8. And now we can go to extras, inventory. And this, colored 8. That's nice. And then we have like this stuff. So you kind of colored. The name of the shape in this case is, for whatever reason, 8. And then we have like 1 in 5,000. Oh yes. Okay. This is working. In sort of a way. Okay. Let me just rename 128 again, because that's just gonna break it even more. That should be. So yeah, bringing it back to 128. Because it's gonna be fixed anyway, so. Nice. 128. 128. Nice. Same here. Okay, cool. So we got that fixed. Nobody's in the chat yet. For now. Oh wait, what just happened? Okay, no, that's just me from testing. Why is it like that? Why am I like that when testing? Let's see, please work. Please work, please work. Well, I need to have 1 to 8 first. So, thank you. Thank you. For example, you could give me something. Okay, so the string is correctly placed, but the glow and shit like that does not work. But you know, we're getting somewhere. But as you can see here, well, we can't really do anything about it. So something that we can do is that, like, we should keep the same logic. Like for the second table, it should like not include the 5th one as a possible name for a shape, and just include the ones before it. So it can only be 128 if it's 128, and then the rarity is a completely different thing. Actually, now that I think about it, having this and that last little piece makes us able to set the shape rarity, well, correctly, like it does. So I can delete this stuff. We don't need that anymore. So yeah, because now we can just make. Also, we don't need rarities anymore. Oh yes, I'm so fucking happy now. Yes. Even though I need like the same exact logic, I just copy and paste it, I guess. So I only need this now. Yeah. After that, numbers multiplying. We don't need this anymore. Attribute rarities found. We don't need that anymore. Get out. So you can just make shape rarity. Is it? Where is it? Okay, here. So we don't need this anymore. We actually do need those thingies. We just don't need to multiply the rarity, because we need it for the shape formula. Yeah. We don't need the multiply. So rarity is going to be equal to split name the length of split name, and then inside of that we have, well, the length of split name. No, we have split name. Wait, I'm looking a loop now. So split name, so the last one inside of that last one, we need to have split name Oh my god. No, we don't need that. I'm getting confused. Very confused. Split name, the amount of stuff that fits in split name, so the last one, and then instead of that last one, the 5th one. We can just place it as the 5th one because there's not going to be anything else. So that's going to be a rarity of the shape. 5. Oh shit. 983,040 in this case. So we hope it works. At least first try. Okay, well, 120 already spawned in. Oh wow, I didn't expect to identify when closing expression got fucking brackets. Stop it. That's not fair. Okay. I just end this statement. No. What I need. What the freak? Yeah, it's just that. What do you want from me? So maybe that. No. So attribute multipliers. Get out. What is going on? You. Just like that. Yeah. Well, that was weird. there's so many 128. Stop it. I don't need that many. Okay, so. Okay, well that's nice. Time to get length of a nail value. What do you mean? It's not a nail value. Do you want from me? So, time to get length of a nail value. Print the length. Maybe it's because it like also counts that last part. It also counts the 5 inside. Maybe what? You. 4. Okay, so that's 4. So now 4 is our last 4. We get the 5th one. Because it's also a table. Okay, so I get split name, the length. So it should be in a separate table. Extras, inventory, you. For example, okay, so we have this one, which is the one with like the rest of the information. Now we have this. Wait, that's it. I choose another one. This one, for example. Okay, so we have studded, colored. We have frozen sphere 180,000. Here we have 180,000. Okay. So now inside of that table, I want the 5th value, which is 180,000. But I want it in a number. That's the thing. So maybe we do that to number 5. No. To number. Wait, no, I just realized 5. So we could just do that. Yeah. And then we could just like place all of this into a number function. Maybe that will work. Work, please work. And it printed absolutely freaking nothing. Yeah, that's cool. So maybe we could just like do it in 2 tables. 2 completely separate tables. So local final info table split name. Oh god, what am I doing? Split name. Yeah, that's it. And then here we can have final info table 5. Oh god, 5. Maybe that'll work. Please work. No, that's not it. Yes, I think it worked. I think it worked. Wait. It might have just worked somehow. Some way. Okay, so print. Already. So we need to make this a number. Just in case. Remember this. Let's see. Please work. Please, we're going to be so happy if it works. Work. Please. You. Yes, we got it working. Okay, well now, well actually everything works except for like the shape thing. You go like, oh my freaking god, finally the rarity is right. Oh my god. I'm so happy. I don't know, I can't just fully scream, it's 3 in the morning, but yes, the rarities are finally right with all of them. And they're not just like freaking mismatches or miscalculations like they always were. Like, thingy here. Let's see. So, like, for example, right here, 1 in 128. This, why? This should not be the rarity. The rarity is 128. Now that's fixed. That type of bug does not happen anymore. Yeah, for example, here, I have 128. The bug should happen. Actually, just got like, I got literally the same mutations. Well, huge multiplies the same amount. So it should say 128 is the rarity. Well, actually, no. But maybe I'll say that 128 is the rarity. But it isn't. 163,000. And I share 100. Yeah, so right there, it just does not show 128 as the shape. Also, why is there so many 128s? Oh my god, I can hear them from here. The doom. Oh my god. Okay, so this bug should not happen anymore in 11.1. Very cool. Very jolly. I love that, in my opinion. Also, I need to fix selling because half of the shapes you cannot sell. Why am I here? So that would be cool. I actually managed to get it right. So here, why does the shape not work? Why does the shape thingy not work? So normally it should be the 4th at those. So what was I saying? So yeah, we can just like skip this entire thing. Like, we don't even need this. Well, obviously we do. We can just do that. And then shape. Well, actually no, we don't even need that. Shape. Yeah, no, just shape. No, just shape. Like, because the shape here, it says there's nothing, but we can then set that shape, set that variable to a cool little thingy, which is basically just a second thing after that. So, after all of that, we have string, final info table. Dude, oh my god, dude, stop taking me there. So, to string, final info table, what did I get there? 2. It's always gonna be 2. So, now we have a shape to render, to construct out of. So like, oh god, there's too many 128s. This one, for example. Inventory. We go over here. Go here. Oh god. Attempt to concatenate nail with string. Nail. What do you mean nail? What? Oh. Shapes. Shape. No, can't I just like... Huh? What the fuck? I don't need this anymore. You can just like... Shape. To string shape. Yeah, that's it. Or maybe if you want even more security, just do shape. Because we already have the name of it. We can just get the multiplier from. Oh, just realized that happens. Oh, it's fixed now. Yay! Actually, we don't even need this anymore then. Yeah, we don't. Get out of here. Boom. If we don't need that, oh well, see, no orange thing there. Maybe we needed that. Maybe we actually need that. Maybe we don't, and I'm just getting baited. Okay, yeah, no, it's just a K thingy. Freak. Yeah, no, it's just that weird ass error. No problem. Oh, I just got one stable. That's cool. Didn't extra. I just got a weather shape. That's cool. You. It's. Okay, well, I need bouncy. I also need that. Yeah, I would like to have that. Mutation too. Thank you very much. Yeah, I would also like to have that. So, what I'm gonna do here is just that once this attributes thing is done, table.insert attributes found, and we can just like do final info table 1. Yeah, that's it. That's the entire thing we're gonna do, because then the table does the rest. So yeah, table hard carried this one. Let's see now. Extras inventory, so it should show all of the mutations. You. Oh, yes, it works. You do not know how happy I am. I've been trying to fix this type of bugs for like the past 6 months, like since version 11 fucking dropped. I'm so happy I finally fixed all of the relating bugs, apart from this one. That's it. Like, that's not bug like at all. Yes! And also, like, I can just sell them, because now there's no issues in anything. Oh my god! Holy! Holy! Because I hate them. That's nice. Freaking finally! And I can just like sell them without selling them twice or thrice. Oh, I'm so freaking happy! Let's go! Yeah, I can just sell any shape I want. You get sold. You're a bunch of people are like you. You get sold. And then when I go back, actually I don't think that, yeah, no, you have to rejoin, but still, oh, yes. Finally. So, this type of inventory related bugs, those are fixed now, which was mostly the issue with 11.1. Like, this was the reason 11.1 was needed to release. Also, for equipping shapes, because like the rest is automatically fixed, selling and equipping. So we need to have this changed. We need to wait. Oh wait, those are attributes. So yeah, that's the problem there. We need the same logic as this. Yeah. So we're gonna get all of this stuff from here, split name, and stuff like that, and just take it here. Boom. Copy that, and then we just replace it. Boom. And it works. Yeah, that's it. Do we even need the shapes? No, we don't. That's also true. So we can remove that and save a couple of lines. Nobody's in the chat yet. One watching myself. But still, this is so really cool. Coolio. 11 minutes back, boys. So yeah, now all inventory related bugs are fixed in the most part, unless you like somehow find another bug. I don't think they're available. Like, if you do, you'll be surprised, if I'm honest. Yes. Can I equip that now? You. Oh god, it broke. Sure, no problem. Text is not valid grammar source scripts are okay. That's a line I forgot to remove, I think. Yeah. Holy. Yeah, shape string. We need that. So that shape string. And then the rarity, we can just make it, well, actually, shape rarity, does that mean the total rarity? It probably does. So yeah. Rarity, shape rarity. No, not shape string, shape rarity. This is revolutionary, guys. I fixed all inventory related bugs in literally just an hour, less than an hour, in just a bit of brainstorming. Yeah, because now shapes with 128 as rarity does not fucking break. Oh yeah, I'm so fucking happy. Okay, missed another line. Attempt to index now with attribute sum. Oh, that's not good. Let's see. So that's definitely like shape equipping problem. Yeah, that's equipping in general. So script.parent.parent script. What the freak are you on? Huh? No, get out. Huh? Yeah, get out. Oh, also that just reminded me. I need to also add this. So attribute multipliers. Final info table. We can also add that in to the attribute multiplier. I almost forgot to do that. Thank you, equipping shapes, for giving me a bug related to that. I really appreciate it. I love how wither just spawns there all the time because of it position bugging. What? Look at this. No. Attempt to index now with attribute sum. Oh my god, bro, I don't need it. Wait, what I need? Actually, why do I even need this in general? Like, for equipping shapes, dude, this is useless. Let's comment this real quick. That's useless. But this is part of the inventory thingy. Yeah, that's just useless. I didn't even let the camera load. God. You equip. Did it work? What? Yeah. Bouncy pentagon. Okay, wow. We went from all of this to a bouncy pentagon. How did that even happen? Okay, well, I need to fix a bunch more stuff. But you know, it works. Like, in the most part, it works. You, for example, started stripped, squished. It only shows one of the mutate. Why? Why does it only show the last attribute? Like, it only shows one of them. That should not be happening. Oh, it's because I like, oh god, no. Yeah, I need to like toggle comment this and just remove these lines because I don't need them. There we go. That should be it. That should fix it. Maybe. If this is fixed, oh god, that 128 is massive. Okay, well, not anymore. You equip. Oh my god, please. Work. Okay, well, it got it right. Like the mutations and stuff, it got it right. But why is the rarity 2? Why is the rarity 2? Should not be the rarity of a shape. Huh? Okay, so maybe we can like, yeah, make the shape rarity to number final info table 5, so we can fix all that stuff. It's exactly 3 AM. And at this very moment, a revolutionary fix is coming into shapes.rng, which is the inventory. Inventory is finally fixed. 54. What? Wow. Flip this one. Let's see. Please work. Yes. Okay, well, like the spinning is not there on purpose, by the way. So it doesn't just spin all you can or anything. Same with quantum and anything that moves the track or anything that changes the C frame of this thing. Yes, it finally works, even though it's... I should make it so it automatically positions it opposite, like if there's like fire or anything. I don't care. I will make that later. You, for example, my gift wrap little thingy can get you now. And actually hold, oh god, that glow is big, but okay. That's really nice, that's really nice. Leaks. Yes, publish a leak here. Yeah, I'm just like take some screenshots and just publish them. Everyone, all, may put it on bold. All inventory, inventory glitches have been patched. Yeah. And let me just like show it. Now where I have my 128 example, I lost it. I think I actually sold it. But yeah, it's all fixed. It's just all fixed. Be able to sell, equip, and preview shapes normally. Revamped the way shapes work. One simple. Let's go, baby. Let's freaking go. This is so peak. I love my own developing skills. Yes. So we have this, which is fixed now. Now you can like whip any shape you want, even if it's like massive. We hope there's no massive shapes after the gear update, because that adds crazy big shapes. They should have done that, but yeah, now everything is fixed. No inventory glitches anymore. Yes, I'm happy. You know, I still have to like that stuff. Oh god. Bugs. Any more bugs here? This is fixed. This is fixed. What exactly? It's just not there on purpose. So now I can bring you here. Oh god. I can bring you here and just do 11.1. Fix all inventory related glitch. And patched all known bugs. Because like we only know these bugs. So yeah, peak stuff right there, peak stuff. It was like copy this over. You. Boom. Next, change log frame. We have to change. Apart from this one, I don't think we actually need it on any others. Over like this one. Cool. Change inversion. You're going away. Paste it. Actually, yeah, it's true. Is wither shape fixed now? I honestly do not know. Actually, like, do not know. 128. Yeah, that's it. So, extras, change log. I need to switch that. I need to switch that to 11.1. So the name of the version now we're currently at. I have to change a lot of the stuff. So you disable, boom, extras, change log, just change that to 11.1. And then over here on the menu, we have, no, not the change log. 11.1. It will soon release, which is cool. Well, soon release, like it's gonna release just now if I encounter no more bugs. But yeah. .1 guys, Loki picking. I cannot tell if this is like updating at this point or not. Probably not. Yes, but no, don't play my own voice, that's embarrassing. So I will see if like the withers are fixed. Maybe they are not, maybe they are. Are they fixed? Oh. Well, yeah, I can hold the wither wackily what I can. You, I'm taking you. Oh my! Why? Why are you like that? Why are you moving like that? Also, why the freak is it 1 and 0? Not supposed to be 1 and 0. It's supposed to be like 1 and something. 1 and 239. The one should not work. Where's wither here? Okay, cool. Wither's not even here. So that's why I guess you are gonna get out. Wither. There. It works now, I think. For you. Oh god. Wither. So if wither chance. Now that I'm gonna have wither. It's 238 actually. Here 239. So like yeah, I guess that should be it. Maybe what it was with it's gotta also like fix that. Yeah, it's supposed to be 238. But no problem in general, I think. Yeah, it revamped like really nicely. Okay. See, so I changed log. Does this change log work? Okay, it does. Yeah, like most of these bugs are fixed by now. Started with yeah, I need to wait until the wither spawns in. Is that it? No, why are you there though? Why? Why are you here? What? You should not be here. Huh? Why are you here? Wait. What is this like mystical being? Shape preview? What? How is the shape preview here? What the freak? How are you there? Why are you there? That's not supposed to happen. Huh? That's the shape. You know, that's a bug I should fix. Why does that happen? Like, I know it's related to Wither itself. So yeah, I'm sorry, Wither, but I'm just going to have to unite all of this, bro. Yeah. I'm sorry, Wither, but just for the good of this game in the next few days. Also, it's 20th of December. It's almost holiday. Well, actually, it's holidays, just not Christmas yet. Yeah. I might stream on Christmas. Maybe. Oh god, what have I just done? No, keep that. No, what have I done? You. God. I don't want the water constraints. Why I want that? I want you. Okay, now. Union. Union. Yes. Whoa, even though we lost. What actually was Wither? No. We lost Wither, guys. But at least it should be fixed though. So I guess that's good. It's for the greater good of this game. At least for the days that Wither is here. I might just expand it too, by the way. Like from no black hole. Sucks up shapes that returns the wish suck mutation. Yeah, I need to like make that. I already know how to, but I need to. Yay! It makes shapes now. Like actually constructs it now. Let's just keep up with the display. Also, withers should now spawn in the air, still like the same exact place. Even though they don't have a face anymore, which I'm going to say is sad. Also, I'm going to make it so that if you close, so here, inventory UI, inventory frame. So if you close it, yeah. So first off, game that works pretty up. Game that works. Stop it. In the workspace that shape display. Clear all children. Yo. Yeah, so that makes it so you cannot see the display after you. Yeah, after you've just done that. So that's cool. So inventory. I have like this and close. Okay, it won't work. Shape displays. Shape preview. Fuck. Shape preview. Shape preview. Clear all children. Also, I'll make it at first like this. Work. Just work, please. Yep. Finally, okay, well, I need to also include that. Oh, God. Well, time to whip out the changelog frame. Enable this. And then just boom. Make shape display inventory. Delete it for a second. Let's spot this one. Yeah, that's cool. A little change there that I want to make. Okay. And then with menu, frame the changelog and just paste that. Yeah, that's it for 11.1. Cool. Yes, I don't think there's like any more bugs right now. So like the changelog, have that. And then the inventory, this, yeah, very cool. Oh God. Yeah, no, that's not good. Also, maybe I make it so like he gets a cool little wither, like the actual wither. So let me just like make a command for giving out shapes too, because and well, that's gonna be on the changelog. That's true. Oh, changelogs are for saying what changed. So yeah. You get over here. Yeah, I don't know why everyone would want to know this, but VM and command. Okay. Yeah, that's it. I guess. Copy. Get out of here. No, actually, I need to move you first. There. And then you just paste it there. Nice. And I just need to make the actual command. So where the freak is here. Okay. CDR. Yeah, here. So give shape. Oh god. Give shape. Yeah, this is just give shape. What the freak do you mean? What? What have I done? What have I done? Yo! What the freak? Wait. That's not supposed to happen. Wait a second, what the f- No, you, 100. I never remember running this command. I guess, like, yeah, no. I'm gonna have to fix that. So, that means that this is, okay, yeah. So, it's supposed to be actual global announcement, so global announcement, GA, go, creates an announcement visible for all actives. And yeah, he just have to like be a string and text to send. String. Text. And yeah, that's it. Message. So I think it works now. This is all just like cool. Yay, it works. Okay, that's nice. So that's that command fixed. I don't know why that was happening, but okay. So now we have this other one, which is, well, to give shape credits and the amount shape. So give shape credits. God, what have I done? And give shape credits server. Okay, now you just like get this, copy it. Boom. We don't need this. So yeah. Player and a string, and then our amount is gonna be a number. So yeah. Player and amount. We need those, but we do. Successfully gave. We gave player. No, successfully gave. Oh god. Amount. Shape credits to player. Yeah. And then over here we don't need that. Oh, gain players. Oh god. Gain of players stop. Player. Well, player dot leader stats. Shape credits dot value is very plus equal. Yeah, man. Yeah. So now I can give myself shape credits. So anyone else, if I ever wanted to, probably won't be able to. Well, I'm able to, it's my own game, but yeah, you know what I mean. So now, not give shape credits, sorry, I don't know, 100 shapes. And error occurred while running this command. Attempt to concatenate instance with string. What do you mean? You mean instance with string? No, not that. Oh, later than me, maybe. That might be it. That might be why it didn't work. Oh, that's so cool. Okay. Gave shape credits myself 100. Yes! What? It just gave me the thing, but it didn't work. Essentially, and oh my god, shut up! like for real, just shut up. I know what it is. Just like this thing. I need to put player down name too. Yeah. I think that's gonna be it for that command. I successfully made it. Not like before when I was trying to rush it. I'm not trying to rush it anymore, and as you can see, I'm freaking doing it every time. I'm just that good. Governance, no, give shape edits myself play. Yeah, it works. Cool. That's it. That's everything I wanted to do with that command. Because like if I like put minus 100, then it already takes away 100. So why would I make a separate command for taking away? That would be ass. Give shape would be GS. Yeah. Insert the player a certain shape. And well, yeah. It's gonna be straight. The shape's exact name. Too sensitive. I don't need this. Shape. Give shape. Then we have give shape server. Yeah. So this should be pretty straightforward if my lazy bum did not do anything else. Also, I don't think give shape credit. Give shape credits just in case, right? And then we have the shape thingy. Give shape to. So put here now. We're gonna have shape. God, you know, just like starting to forget stuff. It's supposed to be a string, and now this is gonna be where successfully gave the following. Okay, the following shape to this guy. And it just like shows the shape. So I just realized a very big problem. I need to know the rarity of it. Nah, I just write it, I guess. Game no players. Must include players. game.players. Oh god. Game.players. No, why are you doing that? Player name. Our name. Dot. What did I just do that? Dot. Player GUI. Okay, so right now we're right here. But inventory GUI. Yeah, so he's like, oh god, no. Wait, this is gonna be harder than I thought, but I guess it could still work. Okay, where's the logic for like when you click it? Okay, here. No, that's where you hover. Okay, here. So, oh god. This is just for the button, by the way. Dude, I don't fucking know what to say about this. Why is my code so unoptimized? I don't care. Give shape server. Yeah. So. So, name. Name is just a shape. Like, I'm not even gonna complicate it. Shape. No, not shared. Shape equals shape. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. So now, yeah, this will just be like shape. That's it. Like anything we need there. And then yeah. No, fuck. Okay. Player GUI. Okay. Game.players. Player. Inventory GUI. No. Player. No. Player GUI. Button name equals shape. That's it. Rarity the value? What? No, that's not fair. I actually do not know. So let me just like remove that and just get the construct shape thingy and just set it myself. So like so this would have like the rarity, the value. How you put your rarity? Cool. Yeah, because in this case it's like that. Give shape. Let's give shape here. Yeah, that's it. Think. Maybe. I don't know. Wait, that means I can give myself whatever freaking rarity I want. Oh, that gives me way too much power. I have way too much power right now, and I do not like that. Let's see if this works. Let me test that out. Give shape. No, not give shape. It's give shape. Sorry. So let's just give myself like a square. Square. 1 in every 2. It never recurred, obviously, where it was expected. Invalid argument number 2. String expected. Oh my god, I'm going to touch somebody. Why did I say that? No. Like, dude, that's so freaking annoying. Just leave me alone. Yeah, I guess player run name. Can you leave me alone now? Please. I would like to. Let's see. Inventory. So, give shape. I'm sorry. Square. 1 in every 2. It doesn't work. It really obvious. Well, like, rarity is now available. Remember text button. Players like inventory frame. The square frame. That's square 1 in 2. What do you mean? It's not a freaking memory. What do you mean? Ooh. I forgot to, yeah, I forgot to make it have a value. So yeah, our rarity is gonna be equal to instance dot new number value. Area name. Appearance. Then really that value is gonna be equal to 0, even though we don't really need that because it's already set to 0 by default. Yeah, but you like corner. Or you what do you like corner? Instance you like or you not use you like stroke. Corner you like corner button no you like corner dot what were the properties of UI corner again? Can you see them here? Actually, font shapes. Well, I look habit here. That's good. Yeah, what I'm just gonna guess like, what is this one? 8. Okay, yeah, that's gonna be it. Corner radius. So you have 8. That's it. It should work now. I hope. It probably will. Trust me. I'm giving myself a square with like fucking insane rarity, even though it doesn't deserve it. Well, it's actually like just like that's just making custom shapes. Actually, just like a demo. What? I don't know. Give shape myself. Here. Oh yeah, I still forgot. This one is like, what? I just only got fixed anyways. Give shape. Fuck you. Give shape myself. Well, square 1 in every 2. And every recur while running this command. That's true. You names. Fuck you, man. What do you mean? Okay, well, I guess I need to do some more stuff. This is supposed to be in UDI. What? How is that pronounced? What? Also, let me remove these 2 shapes that I just did with. I don't need those. So yeah, get out of here. Inventory frame, scroll frame. Oh god. Why? Square 1, 2, square 1, 2. Yeah, just these 2. No, okay, we don't need those. Even though now it's like selling them, so next shape is gonna appear like for whatever reason right there. Give shape. No. Give shape myself square 1 in 1 and 2. Work, please. Option. What happened now? To trust you. Attempt to perform arithmetic on number and male. And then 82. Ooh, yeah, that's not good. Oh god, yeah. Single attribute stuff is going looking fine, okay? Yeah, no, that doesn't apply to only one of those, so actually it does. What do you mean 167 rarity is not valid member of 6 button? Okay, well, I guess I don't need rarity. And I also do not need rarity here. Okay, oh, yeah, there. And now we can just like take this away. Yeah, that's it. You, obviously. Did you work? Yeah, because it's a single attribute. Oh my god. So if I give myself more than one attribute, I'm gonna fix that one. If shape myself. Our shapes exact name. Okay, like to introduce myself a huge word, which is 1 in 67. My nose check. 67,000 checks. Okay, let's see. I'm just thinking of myself what the fucking shape I want, but I gotta fix this with like single things. Like yeah, the single stuff does not work. I gotta fix that. So yeah. But hey, 180. Yeah, we just like need to do some stuff here. So 180. So if final info table. No, yeah, if final info table, then I'm gonna do that. If not, then just don't. Obviously, because I think like there's only square. Yeah. So yeah, no, it still breaks. So 1 is square 1 and 2. So if the length of like the shape, the split list is more than 1, maybe we could do that. So if the length of split name, yeah, is over 1, now we're gonna do that. Else, no, that's not gonna be it. The value is gonna be equal to 0. Yeah. Wait. Okay, yeah, so here we also got the check. A final info table 1 is equal to this, then we're just going to like make the attribute sum 0. Yeah. So if this one is nothing, then 0 attribute sum, it just has no attributes. And if it does have attributes, which means that this is in just nothing, then we do include that. That should work. That should work there. If I'm not going insane. Let's see. Inventory. You. Okay, yeah, obviously then. 183 now. What do you mean? Dude. Are you kidding me, man? Are you actually freaking kidding me? Okay, well, I'm not gonna bother to even fix any of that. Let me just like delete that button entirely. And just refix this, because, well, that's just annoying. So we don't need a name for that. And it's gonna be space shape. Now it should work. Let me just delete that testing shape real quick. So page UI, inventory UI, frame, scroll frame. These last two, skew twin stuff, twin square, y'all are getting out of there. Okay, might get something now. Maybe. Why are they back? Why are they back? I don't like that. No, I'm scared now. Okay. Started 128. Okay. Let me just delete those real quick. Can I? Like, can I seriously just do that? Can I delete my own shapes on piece? How much? How much is like the autosave? Let's see. Update. I'm making data. This every second it saves every second. What? How am I doing all of this actually? How am I? Yeah, I don't even know anymore. But like, let's see. Let me just like delete them for the second time. So you two are getting out. Get out. That should be good now. Extras, inventory. Yeah, we don't have that anymore. You inventory. You square. Okay, well it works at least. You know, I'll tell you that. Like the space is so weird there. You know, it is what it is. 1 and 0 now. Yeah, that's from that's because of the patch. So let me not print this anymore. I don't need to print this anymore. Get out. Yeah, you are getting freaked out. And you are also getting out. Numbers to multiply. I don't think this is even useful anymore. Yeah, it's not even useful. Okay, so I can give myself whatever freaking shape I want. Like this, where I can just like build myself a square with a rate of 1 and a 32-bit integer limit if I wanted to. If I have all three, and it would still cost one stud, like one shape. This looks so fucking cursed. Oh my god. This looks so fucking cursed. Square 1 and 2 fucking Billy. Yeah. Can get myself whatever shape I want now. I'm evil movie. Yeah. Is that like a no? Yeah, so that's probably gonna be it. Like everything is here. Oh, what? And yeah, everything works correctly. At least it should. Yeah, I can like also set the like comments maybe. Anyways, give shape. Just give myself keyboard with the 1 in 1,000 chance. Oh god, I fucked up. I really fucked up, I think. Maybe I fucked up. Did I? Yes, I did. No, that's my fault. Give shape. Holy. Scutoid with a 1. No, with a 1 in 1,000 chance. Yeah, there, that should work now. No, why am I closing out? Okay, yeah, that works. Cool. Okay, well, that's fucked out, but yeah, I could probably just release 11.1 now, which is really cool. Yeah, I actually can. Published. Let me just like change the type. 11.1 shapes.rng is here. Finally. What the fuck? Okay, change logs. Don't pronounce this. I'm way too lazy. Just copy that. I'm gonna react to my own thingy. So yeah. .11.1 is now published. And I'm going to end stream now. So yeah. Goodbye. Cool transition. Anyways. Yeah, I haven't said it. Goodbye. Tomorrow I'll stream again to try to level up 8-bit of version 12. So yeah, stay tuned. Goodbye.